Welcome to the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo Definitive Masterclass Overview. How to maximize your experience. So what I'll be doing for this video is I'll just be quickly running through on how we're gonna cover all of the materials that we'll be covering for the next few weeks or maybe even months. Depende po kung gaano kahaba yung final na lumabas, no? Ako personally, hindi pa ako sure. I have a syllabus typed out, but baka kasi meron pa akong maisip na idagdag sa gitna or sa huli or whatever. So, I'm not gonna promise that we're gonna finish in 8 or whatever number of videos, but we are gonna try to keep it concise. We are gonna try to keep it moving para hindi naman po kayo mabore. Okay, so what do you need to expect or what should you expect? First, we're gonna start from the basics and we're gonna move progressively towards the more advanced stuff. Okay, so it's okay even if you know nothing about Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. It's okay even if you've been using Ichimoku Kinko Hyo for a while now. Okay? Maaari na kapag ginagamit nyo na yung Ichimoku for a while, sa mga mas simulang videos, baka karamihan po kayo alam nyo na, but I still encourage that you watch it in chronological order because I'm trying my best to arrange it in such a way na parang paano ko gusto na matuto nun in the first place had I gotten the chance to get all of my material from one place. Kasi very often, ang nangyayari lalo na kapag nag-aaral tayo sa internet, kukuha ka ng something here, something there, then before you know it, you're getting from so many sources and the way that you absorb it, medyo sabog. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to arrange it in such a way na at least for me, it makes the most sense. Okay? Now, when we start, my goal is to release 2 videos of it a week. This is on top of whatever other videos that I'm releasing. Okay? Kaya siya 2 videos lang a week rather than more is because I'm trying to make sure na maganda yung absorption rate natin. Yes, I can just keep throwing video after video after video on you, but what will be the point? Matatabunan lang kayo tapos hindi lang maganda yung magiging experience nyo. Obviously, if you're watching this after all the videos have been uploaded, I can't stop you from just watching everything na sabay-sabay, no? But this is what I would recommend. Now, each video will be about 10 to 20 minutes in duration. The reason for that is based on the feedback that I've gotten, mas gusto ng mga tao that nasa mga bite-sized chunks yung lessons natin as compared to magsasalita ako at magsasawaan niyo yung boses ko for 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. Tapos at the end of it, again, bumabalik tayo sa absorption rate. Baka wala gaanong pumasok kasi nga, nagiging white noise na lang yung tinuturo ko. Now, in between, I will be putting mga Q&A videos. So I highly encourage you, kung meron kayong mga tanong, kung merong hindi malinaw, that you make it known to me. I need to know kasi hindi ko naman po alam kung talagang tumatagos yung tinuturo ko or baka meron akong nasabi or meron akong naturo na hindi po malinaw, no? So, para malaman ko, just keep asking any question that you like, syempre within the confines of this topic, and just post them in the comment section. I will read through all of them, I promise. So just put them in the comment section and any questions na makita ko or mabasa ko, I will try to address in video format as well. Para in between, meron tayong mga natututunan from yung questions nyo or questions ng ibang tao. Okay? Now, meron ba tayong requirements for the course? First, you need to know the basics of technical analysis. What do I mean? You need to know how to read candlesticks. I am not going to teach you how to read candlesticks from scratch. Okay? You need to have a basic understanding of support and resistance. I'm also not going to teach you this from scratch kasi lalo tayong hahaba eh. It would be easier and it would be better if kahit papano meron na kayong knowledge ng mga ganito. I am sure maraming resources sa internet na pwede nyo pong tignan for the aforementioned information. And then you need to have a basic understanding of trends. We're not gonna go through mga higher lows, higher highs, whatever. We're not gonna go through what an uptrend is, what a downtrend is, what ranging trends are. I expect na if you are watching these videos, meron na po kayong alam dun kahit papano. Of course, to a degree, we'll still touch on them, but we won't dwell on them to the point na kung talagang wala kayong alam, bigla na lang po kayong matututo. Then you need to have access to basic trading software. So most people I know trade using Investagrams for their chart. But of course, may ibang mga available dyan, mga Ami Broker or whatever. I'm not gonna teach you how to download them, or I'm not gonna teach you how to update their charts. But you can look around. Marami pong videos sa YouTube, maraming resources sa internet that you can use. So if hindi nyo gusto for one reason or another yung Investagrams, then you can download or use any of those other trading software. If okay naman po sa inyo ang Investagrams, make sure na meron po kayong account sa kanila. Para pag dumating tayo sa point that we need to look at charts, we need to annotate them, we need to input yung settings and everything, ready po kayo. Okay? Nakahanda na, hindi kayo gagawa from scratch. You need to have an understanding of trading. What this means is, hindi ko na kayo tuturuan kung paano mag-trade, no? That's a totally different video. We will have one of those up sooner or later. But for this masterclass series, I expect na kahit paano naintindihan nyo na ano yung mga limit orders, ano yung mga sell orders, ano yung buy orders, ano yung mga odd lots, and so on and so forth. Okay? Now, my promise to you over the course of this masterclass is I will work very hard to ensure that by the end of this definitive masterclass, you will have a better and deeper understanding of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, regardless of your experience level. Syempre, unless, battle-tested ka na, sanay ka na sa Ichimoku, then there's a chance na baka wala ka nang makuha sa mga ituturo ko. I will try to make each lesson accessible and comprehensive while maintaining brevity. Okay? I will try to be as thorough as possible, at the same time, making sure that each lesson is divided into bite chunk pieces. So, I hope you're as excited as I am for this masterclass. Medyo, ako personally, makali, tuloy ako ng tuloy, gawa ng module after module after module, and I'm very, very excited to share all of them with you. So I hope you're excited as much as I am. Okay? So until we start, until then, good luck and happy trading.